Hello there. Out of all the image-generating AI software, Midjourney is king. With its powerful generative algorithms and intuitive interface, the quality of the art stands out as one of the best. But, like the relationship between me and my wife, the AI and the prompt might not comprehend each other very well. That can lead to some image results, looking like they came straight out of Picasso's wet dreams. Fear not, my fellow sailors. Today I'm going to present you with a tool you can use that will supercharge your Midjourney prompting and change your creations from this into a certified masterpiece. Once we've opened ChatGPT, the first thing we're going to do is politely greet the AI. Then we're going to instruct the AI to imagine whatever you want to create. It can be anything, use your imagination. For this example, I'm going to say, imagine a mighty sea captain facing a massive storm. Write a short description of the scene. The next step is to transform that description into a Midjourney prompt. You can achieve that by copying this prompt. Can you condense that description to focus on nouns and adjectives separated by comma? If you are happy with the prompt result, you can go and copy that text. Now we take a journey into Midjourney. In Midjourney, all we have to do is type in /imagine and paste the prompt we've created in ChatGPT. Wow, that looks absolutely insane. It looked like a movie poster about my life.
Stop the cap!
Now let's do a quick comparison. Let's type in a mighty sea captain facing a storming sea. Now this is more likely what a movie poster would look like if it was based on my life. As you can see, there is a massive difference between the quality of the image when we use ChatGPT and without ChatGPT. Similar to when I first met my wife versus what I wake up next to every morning now.
What did you say? You're sleeping on the dock tonight.
I hope you've enjoyed the video and leave a comment if your Midjourney images have improved. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, or this will visit you at 3 a.m. tonight.